What's up, guys? We are here to do some pottery trimming. It's gonna be awesome. I got some new mugs that were just made, and we're gonna check them out and trim them up a little bit. So stay tuned and check us out. Pottery gone wrong. What happens when things go wrong? You know, it's pottery. Start over. It's that simple. Here they are. Real Valentine's Day mug. You gotta do the bottoms, flip them over, trim them up. Hopefully they're not too dry. Now we're gonna see what we can do. Okay, finished up these nice Christmas mugs. Turned out very nice. Let me go get those mugs. This is what we got today. Some Valentine's Day mugs, heart-shaped. A couple of stamps on there. And trim up the bottoms. Hopefully they didn't get too dried out. Another heart-shaped mug. Turned out pretty nice. Made a total of 3 so far. Pretty happy with these. All right. So stay tuned if you want to see how we trim the bottoms of these Valentine's Day mugs. All right, let's get trimming, huh? It's a very nice mug. Bottom's getting a little dried out. What I'm gonna do is take a little bit of clay. I'm gonna plug in the wheel first. That usually helps. I'm gonna try to mark some circles here. I'm gonna try to get this in that center. Look down on it, look down, huh? Looks pretty good. And then you're gonna take some pieces of clay. Damn you, clay. Man, I can't work like this. You know that my hands are totally filthy. I'm gonna get some balls of clay here to hold this in place, right? I'm gonna wash my hands up a little bit, I'll get right back. Stay tuned, just enjoy the music. Hopefully I'll edit this out. If not, it's gonna be an extremely boring video, right? So I kind of get them in position. What you wanna do is start with a little circle. See where you're at, and then shift it over in the direction of the bad circle. These are probably too dry now. And usually you want these to be a little bit softer. This is going to be hard. I think we're about in the center, so I'm going to take these and try to smush them to hold it in place. Hopefully she don't pop out on us. Smush it down, just like that, huh? Now we can start trimming the bottoms of these dry mugs, which is going to be extremely painful. Probably should have covered them up a little bit. This is not going well. I think we let them get a little too dry. I'm just gonna have to suck it up, huh? Well, that concludes this episode of how about you don't let your mugs get so dry that you can't trim the bottoms, huh? Damn. Guess I'll just polish them up a little bit. Try to smooth out the rim. At least I can do that, huh? It's the least I can do for these people drinking out of these mugs. Man, that's disappointing, huh? So I'm just gonna smooth out the rim a little bit. Take a wet sponge, smooth it out just ever so slightly, right? You don't want to crack it, you don't want to break it. Clean up the bottom foot a little bit, huh? Too hard, huh? What a bummer. Well, that's the episode on how not to trim your bottoms, huh? Valentine's Day mug still turned out pretty nice, so guess I can't complain. All in all, Not quite what I had in mind, but we polished these up a little bit. Clean up the handles a little. Get them ready for bisque firing. Bisque fire these at a cone 6. Typically do a little preheat for an hour. Again, just cleaning up the rims a little bit, trying to smooth them out, round them off a little bit. Just one more foot to clean up, and then I think we're all done here. Not quite the way I was hoping these bottoms would turn out, but hey, sometimes you live and learn, huh? Live and learn! Don't let your bottoms get too dry before you try to trim. Good lesson to know. You get my signature in the bottom there. Get a little crazy snapper written in there. So what you guys think, huh? Valentine's Day mug's alright. Bottoms, no trim, just a nice little washing. Smooths them out. Not bad, huh? Lesson learned, do not let them dry overnight in a heated garage. Otherwise, too hard by the morning. Now what I'm gonna do is probably just flip these upside down and let the bottoms dry off completely so I can throw them into the kiln and let them bisque fire away. 3 down, only 30 more to go, huh? Hopefully mildly interesting to watch. Hope you learned something about pottery. I know I sure did. So don't forget to always clean up after you're done working. It's always very important. That concludes today's show. Bottoms got a little too dry, couldn't trim them the way I wanted, but that's okay. I was able to smooth them out. Should turn out okay. Gonna wait for the bottoms to dry out, and then I'm gonna fire them up in the kiln. We hope to see you soon. Check out our next videos. Not quite sure what I'll be making, but it's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned. Please subscribe, smash the like button, and check out some of my pottery pieces. Later.